Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. And this one I'm gonna be unboxing this electric hammer that I got on Amazon. To be specific, it's the 1500 watt from Eniacro. I have no idea how you'd pronounce it. I don't think they care much if I would pronounce it wrong. But yeah, it's made in China. I got it on Amazon. And I just need it because I need to do a whole bunch of renovations to my place, and I needed something to take away the plaster much faster. So yeah, let's unbox this puppy and see what it does. First things first, the price. So I got this for 99 euros and 43 cents, and I actually just checked on Amazon just to be sure, and to reorder it, it was already 116 euros and 98 cents. Does it have to do with the whole tariff trade war thing going on? I have no clue. That goes way above my head. What I do know is I needed this thing, and maybe you do too. So yeah, let's get this puppy out of its packaging. Let's see what's actually in here. So this is here everything that came in the package. Of course, we've got a manual with our little wrench here, some extra brushes. Let me know in the comment section if you're a manual reader or not. We've got some bits. And so these aren't the high quality bits that I have seen in my own past, but I'm sure this one and this one will do the trick. Most important part is this one. I mean, the buttons feel okay. This one has quite the resistance on it, but that's quite normal for that mechanism. Here, this one, I mean, it feels old school. It's definitely not a new tech hammer, but yeah, I'm actually quite confident in it. It looks good. There's a lot of metal, not too much plastic. This looks good. This looks good. For the money, yeah, good job, good job. The bag also really nice.
Nice.
Most important bit, the advanced lubricant. Very undescriptive, very weird. I know things need lubrication, but yeah. Let's give this puppy a try. Yeah. Okay, so here we are with the new bag, which I genuinely like when a brand does it. A bag to put it in or a sticker to put on something. That's an extra star in the review immediately. But so, let's take it back out again. Our very clunky little hammer here. And yeah, let's set it up. Thing is, what I'm realizing with this tip, I'm definitely gonna damage my brick, so this will be better for my floor. And I'm having the impression there's a moisture issue here. But then again, that's why I'm breaking it all out. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I mean, I think I've shown you enough that this thing really gets the job done really quickly, efficiently. It's just the cleanup process is always a mess, but that's just any part of a house renovation. That's the most time-consuming thing. Yeah, I give this baby definitely a 10 out of 10 for now. It's working, it's doing its job. I mean, I already took out a bunch of the floor. It's going very quickly, and it's not faded by it, really. For the price, this is an amazing piece of kit. So yeah, you've seen it with the tiles, the plaster. You can use it for so many things. And yeah, I really hope that you're gonna leave a like, follow, comment if you bought this hammer, if you're working on something similar, or if you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, if you want to see me renovate the rest of my art studio or see more of my artistic adventure in Spain, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I really hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.